Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this video was meant to be a vlog, but it turned out to be a story time video because things happened that were not supposed to happen and I couldn't vlog much. Yeah, so just a few days ago we planned a short vacation. Um, to a beach, which is like exactly 109 kilometers from Kolkata, from exactly where we live. We went to go to Bokhali, which is the extreme end of West Bengal, and it's really close by. So we thought let's just go and have some fun for a day. My friend Shovik drove all the way from Kolkata to Bokhali, and it was a lovely ride. The town is dependent on tourism, like people earn money because of tourists. So we are 110 kilometers away from Kolkata. This place is called Bokhali, and we are here in this beautiful resort. I'm going to show more of this resort, but let me just show you how beautiful the garden is. Let me show you what's inside. So this is the room. It's already a bit mess because we did all sort of messy things here. So this is the beautiful room. I think I searched about this hotel on Google first, and I saw so many reviews. I also watched videos about this resort specifically. It's a very beautiful one and a very luxurious one. Yeah. So I have my beautiful friend Shriponna with me, and how do you feel?
I'm feeling good.
Yes.
This place is very beautiful.
Yes. After reaching our hotel, we took our time to get ready and clean up, and we did not want to order food from the resort because there were locals who had their hotels open. So we thought maybe we could just go around and pick the right kind of food. So we are at this hotel and we ordered crab.
ফুল ক্রাব ও সবাই শুরু
নাহলে এখানে সবসময় এখন মোটামুটি এই মাঠে ভর্তিই থাকতো সব।
আমি প্রথমবার এলাম, তবে আমার বেশ ভালোই লাগলো। বিচ হিসাবে খুব ভালো।
The food was amazing, and because it was really close to the beach, we thought of going to the beach. We initially thought of just strolling around the beach while one of our friends, Shovik, was taking rest in the hotel. So he was the only one who did not have lunch because he was extremely tired, and so we thought we could just go and have our food and take one back for him in the hotel while he rests. But then we, the crazy us, we thought we just go to the beach and just walk around for half an hour and then return. started going crazy. So one of my other brothers, he thought of pushing us into the ocean. Only person who was left was my brother, who was standing dry and clean and much secure than rest of us. All of our essentials were put inside my bag so that we don't lose anything. But my brother forgot that he had the keys inside his pocket. So anyway, he was still checking whether he had the keys inside his pocket or not. And then we did the same with my brother. We pulled him by his hand and legs, and then we threw him inside the water. So it was lovely, I must say. And then we started doing somersaults. Like all of us, we went crazy and we started doing somersaults. And then the most unexpected thing happened. My brother lost the keys. Hi guys, so a lot of things happened since yesterday, which is why I was not able to like vlog that much. So we lost our car key yesterday while strolling around on the beach, and unfortunately we are stuck, but we're still having a lot of fun. So we also had a lot of tasty food. We didn't compromise on that, but we were actually really upset, so I could not vlog that much. It's also so windy. It's very beautiful. Like not much people are here, and the people are actually taking a lot of precautions, and there's not much crowd here. In every vacation I go to, or every single place I go to, the most difficult part is to find the right kind of food, because I am strictly following a vegetarian lifestyle. In Bokhali, what saved my life was Gynoveda's Myra and Vama. So as I have been having these Gynaveda tablets for 8 months now and have seen such positive results, they also provide you with a Gynavedic diet. So Gynavedic diet is a book that simplifies the Ayurvedic sutras in simple words. So did you know that there were several scholars living in the past who have written over 7,000 scriptures in Sanskrit, which has been simplified in Ayurveda for our better understanding. So there are basically 10 rules that you need to follow if you want to heal yourself. You must drink water 40 minutes before a meal and 90 minutes after a meal. So that way your digestive juices are not interrupted by water. That makes your digestion much faster. You must ensure 3 meals at a fixed time. This is the most important point, which I think maximum of us do not follow. It is to chew your food 32 times before gulping it in. Breaking down of food must take place inside your mouth, and if that doesn't happen, it bothers and it affects your digestion. It leads to constipation, indigestion, and learn to give your stomach a break. I go for 12-hour fasting for every single day. That way you are giving your body some time to digest your food properly and also work on certain organs or cells, or maybe some other underlying diseases that you might have. Your body heals itself. So give it some time to heal organically, naturally. So it's really important that even if you are not diagnosed with any disease, you must allow your body to rest. Last and the most important thing is to follow a vegetarian lifestyle. We live in the coastal area and Bengalis cannot do without fish. But then if you are sourcing it from a really good seller or sourcing it from a good source, I think you can have it. But make sure that you are also active throughout the day and not lying around doing nothing, because you also need, your body needs to digest it. You need some energy. Because you need some energy, your body needs to digest it, and if it doesn't get digested properly, it turns into fat. So you don't want that to happen, right? I do like to have fish once in a while, so which is why I had crab and prawn in Bokhali, but that too after years. So get these right now. If you have PCOD, I swear things are going to get fine, and you'll feel much better, because I've already received so many messages from you guys. I know someone who ordered Gynaveda from Australia. Imagine, like, she is so in desperation to get rid of PCOD that she paid an extra amount of, I think, $100 to get Gynaveda from India to Australia. So I hope this turns out helpful. Now coming back to the real story. Okay, so finally we have managed to get a pickup truck.
Crane.
Very okay. The only solution that we could find was to get a service crane all the way from Kolkata to Bokhali that same day, and we also got a car. Shovik's friend got a car to pick all of us up, and that's how we came back home. Shovik's and Shoravda's car was just in front of us, which was being carried by a service crane. And so, yeah, that was it for this video. I hope this was fun. It was a fun story time, I guess, because it was really fun. Like, whoever I tell it to now literally cannot stop laughing, because man, who does that? And we all are vaccinated. So make sure you're vaccinated. Do not delay your vaccination. Take proper care and enjoy to the core. Bye.